Alan Quilonting, born December 13, 1958, known professionally as Allan K, is a Filipino comedian, actor, and television personality. He is one of the co-hosts of the noontime variety show Eat Bulaga. Quilonting also previously owned comedy bars Zirco and Clowns until their closure during the pandemic in 2020. Quilonting began his professional singing career after he graduated high school and joined a band, performing in bars around Bacolod. In 1984, he flew to Manila to work in sing-along bars as a singer and as a stand-up comedian. Quilonting was discovered in 1995 through a reporter during a press conference of Eat Bulaga, where the show's impending transfer to GMA Network was announced. The reporter, who frequented the place where he worked at that time, asked if there were any new talents to be introduced, then followed up by asking if they had heard of an Allan K who performed at the Library, a comedy bar in Malate, Manila. The noontime variety show's producer, Antonio Vieira, was unaware that his children also frequented the same place. Thus, they ended up contacting and visiting the bar on the night after the press conference. The name Allan K was derived from a play on his surname Quilonting by his gay colleagues who called him Allan Kui, which later evolved to be pronounced as Allan K. He eventually took a liking to how it sounded and used it as his stage name. Quilonting is gay. In an interview in 2016, he revealed to the press about having an ongoing relationship with an undisclosed Filipino-British man who he said was a reality show winner. During the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, Quilonting's brother died in May and his sister in July, but with the quarantine and protocols in place, no funerals were held for both siblings. In July, he permanently shut down his businesses and ultimately in August, when he acquired a severe case of COVID-19, facing death. Quilonting described the year as seemingly cursed. In a special episode of Bawal Judgmental on Eat Bulaga, on December 25, 2021, Quilonting admitted that he had a relationship with a woman in his early days in Bacolod to conceal his sexuality. For the first time, he revealed learning about the possibility of him having a child through a psychic he met where he performed. With the persuasion of the other hosts, Quilonting publicly appealed to the woman to confirm whether he did have a child with her and have them tested through DNA matching. He also stated that he is open to taking responsibility for the child, whom he estimated to be at least 30 years old at the time. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.